One is monitoring and monitoring tools. Already I showed OpManager. Okay, so what are the other monitoring tools are available? Just we can see. What of monitoring tools are there? So we'll see first of all. What is a monitoring? So it is actually to understand function of our infrastructure. So what is our infrastructure? Then so we can see. Yeah, before going to that one, I will show you one simplest thing is my task manager. Look at my task manager. So process. So I can able to see my what is the process, what are the process running in my PC and where their CPU status, memory, disk utilization, network utilization, graphic card utilization. Okay, like this something this process is also using my graphic card. Okay, so graphic utilization and performance monitoring. CPU, how CPU is going on, what is the CPU utilization, okay, and memory utilization, total memory utilization, system utilization, disk, network, and graphic card utilization. I can see resource monitoring. So what are the resources like my CPU utilized by what are the processor utilizing services, memory. Okay, my memory it is my RAM utilized by different process. I can able to see from here. So this is for a one single system. Think about I have a multiple systems are there, computers or servers or anything like you can. I have a servers, okay, storage devices, okay, networking components like a routers, switches, cables, means cable connectivities, okay, database servers, firewalls. These are all your infrastructure part of how these devices are functioning, whether it is turn on, turn off, any issue is there, what is their utilization, including applications, different applications are running in our infrastructure, services, okay, different type of server services. Server means it is a provided service. Okay, so we can monitor, we gather information of all these devices into one location. We can see all the devices and their functionality from one single dashboard. Okay, if anything goes wrong or maybe some warning is generated or a error is occurs, immediately we'll understand from our monitoring device. Okay, so different type of monitoring, so like make sure that your devices is turned on or off. Resource monitoring, every device, their CPU, RAM, disk, network resources, how it is utilizing, how much it is utilizing. Performance monitor, application performance monitoring. You know, each application, so ticket application is there. For example, you can take Microsoft Teams. It is utilizing 10% of my CPU. Okay, higher. Okay, so memory utilization is around 700 to 800. RAM utilization is there. You take a Google Chrome is utilizing lesser CPU like a 2% kind of stuff, but memory utilization is 1.5 GB. Okay, each application you can monitor. Process monitoring, network wise monitoring. So all devices are connected network. So then we can get a device statuses from network monitoring, network connectivity, their IP addresses, loads, traffics, protocols, how protocols are going on. So we also use a SNMP protocol, is used for a monitoring purpose. And different tools we use in monitoring. One of the thing is like a Nagios. So we'll go to Nagios.com. Just taking time. Okay. So last time I checked that there is a demo version is there, like directly how the interfaces look like. You can see Windows monitoring, Linux, server monitoring, application monitoring, SNMP monitoring, log monitoring. These things we can do it. This is a log server which store all events into this log server. This is a Nagios XI. You can download a free trial version. Better to download this version. You can it will be work on your VMware workstation. A virtual box also it will work. Okay. So that is a 60 days free trial version. You will get it. They changed 30 days only now. Okay. This is a Nagios network analyzer. Can you see? Yeah, there is a YouTube also available, so you can try how network is going on in utilization and all. You will find it from here. Okay. Another one is Zabbix, guys. Zabbix is open source enterprise class open source network monitoring tool, which is a open source network monitoring tool. So it is a free, but you have to set up and risk is yours only. Like Linux, it is there. It's a virtual appliances available. Means directly virtual machine. There's a different products: network monitoring, server monitoring, cloud monitoring, virtual machine monitoring, application monitoring, service monitoring, database monitoring. These are the different capabilities of this Zabbix. Yeah, you will get a training. I will go to downloads button. Okay. So you want to install and set up yourself. These are the requirements. Okay. For example, I have a CentOS. 7 is my favorite. That's so. Which one I want to? LTS. LTS long-term support. Okay. So component is agent.
Maximum 1768
Okay. So these are the requirements. This is how to install in your Linux PC. If you don't know how to manage all these things, directly go to virtual appliances. It's a pre-created virtual machine, which is machine contains OS and application is installed. Okay. Okay, it is a pre-created already. It is created along with all required files, setup, everything is done. Only thing is you have to deploy any virtualization platform like a VMware or maybe Hyper-V platforms. Just you have to deploy and do configuration. Okay. This is about a small thing about Zabbix. PRTG. This is also one network monitoring system, PRTG. This is also a network monitoring tool. It is. There's a free trial also available. Okay. If you go like this is a licensing cost. Okay. After free trial completed, you have to pay. Free, that is also difficult. So it's a free trial version. New Relic is a application monitor. New Relic is actually application monitoring tool. It's a New Relic. WhatsUp Gold. So WhatsUp Gold is now it is a free trial version is available. What happened? It's still showing in New Relic. Yeah, this is a WhatsUpp Gold IT infrastructure monitoring tool. Simplifies management of your complex IT infrastructure. Free trial version. See demo is also there. So you can get a network mapping, how network is entire your infrastructure is connected, and not only in a single LAN, entire globally it is connected. Application performance, network performance, cloud-based resources, log management, wireless network configuration management. These are the things you will get. WireShark. I have WireShark in my PC. Yeah, this is a WireShark. Okay, so WireShark is an application. So to get what are the packets is traveling, ports, IP addresses. Okay, in and out port and IP addresses, we can able to get it. Splunk is not a monitoring tool, it is a log analyzer. Okay, so what are the logs are created so far from last time. Okay, so we'll take a logs, analyze, then we can understand where exactly issues are occurs. We can estimate. This is Solarwinds network performance monitor. So these are the different monitor. Not only this, so many are there. You can type in a Google. Okay, you want a monitoring tools. For example, network monitoring tools. You will get a lot of list of monitoring tools. Okay, so the SolarWinds, we Datadog, PRTG, OpManager, which is I showed that one. Zabbix, like this. These are so many.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, on which monitoring tool right now scientists work?
Scientists use WhatsUpp Gold is also using.
Okay, sir.
Add a OpManager also. Okay, so we already seen the demo or part of OpManager, right? So what are the devices? Because it's a demo version, easy to understand. So many days back, I seen this Nagios currently removed it. Okay, trial version completed. So I close it. Okay, so here we got it like a different type of device. What are the devices and their status? We can understand. There's a few details about these tools. Maybe you can try. Okay, so we can just for information only. What is a Zabbix? What is PRTG? What is a WhatsUpp Gold? What is New Relic? Okay, what is Splunk? Yes. You want to learn Splunk? Without having knowledge of monitoring and logs, it is difficult. But try Splunk is also available in the Java T point. The first one only. This is Splunk. Okay. That uses data generated by computer to track, scan, analyze, visualize in the real time. So any screen is available, then we can read it. So the gaps are there, not page is not completely open. Go to Splunk environment. they given an installation in Ubuntu platform. Okay, so check it how the look is like. Okay, it is better for a network monitoring purpose. That is also one of the role, right? Next, I want to tell about these are the download links there. Next one is we work with the service desk. Just I'm giving some names of service desk tools. Okay, so I told about a service desk, and we will get a ticket. We'll resolve an issue. We'll forward a tickets. Okay, we need a certain interface, right? So then that interface, okay, that environment, we can get it through this service desk or a help desk tools or a software. One of the most popular nowadays is a ServiceNow. Another one is a BMC Helix. Earlier name is BMC Remedy. Now it is a BMC Helix. This is already I told now. So there is a demo session. So in this demo, I explained how to first 2-3 minutes normal discussion only. In this demo, I showed how to log into this as a free account. Okay, so just for our practice and understand how the tickets are shown and what are the report, like how many incidents are occur, how many workarounds are going on, what are the problems are there, what are the service requests are there. So we can able to get it from here. Okay, and also we can practice, like open the ticket, what are the details in the ticket, and also you can create a new ticket. So I created a ticket also. This is the impact and urgency. The names change. Okay, that is the urgency, impact, like priorities, that is. Okay, so it is, I am assign a priority, so medium priority, minor, localized. So like that it is there, urgent, emergency and impact. So then it will be, priority will be automatically categorized from impact and urgency. Status of the ticket, open ticket, new ticket, assign ticket, pending tickets. So we'll get some information. Okay, so compulsory go once. Okay, yeah, you can put a 1x mode also, no problem. Okay, 1x 2x mode is there now. So yeah, don't put auto mode 1080, playback speed, increase 2x mode to get a screen purpose. Okay, if you have any doubt, then put it in a 1x mode and see problem. Okay, you can practice, nothing will happen in this demo versions. Okay. ServiceNow, Zoho is one of the popular tool also. This is Zoho environment. So I will go to images. So any issues, like you can directly come to our email. It is given Zoho logos only. Zira, OS ticket. OS ticket is a free desk tool. So any person can able to set up if you know Linux and LAMP server management kind of stuff. Okay, so it is showing update SLA plan. Okay, so that is some few things it will show you.
On paper links already, yeah.
GLPI, earlier GLPI demo version is there, now it is not available. Fresh services. So I showed one, I told one demo is there now, so that is it is service desk this is this one. It is let me show you. This is fresh desk environment. You can see. So he's explaining about the priorities. Okay, how SLAs. So that's why I said no, compulsory watch it, and you will understand very important things. What is SLA and what are the priorities, tickets, how they will solve the ticket, how ticket will be showing. Okay, so this is the
12 months
first ticket, fresh
March
service, how they will log in the
April
portal.
2022.
Okay, so this is unlisted, so you can't get it by search, only you will get it by link only. Okay, and do not share that link to anyone. Zendesk is another tool. So these are the certain help desk tools.
SEPT,
This is about ITL, guys, so I'm not going with ITL now. So these are the main tools. You can get it. Compulsory read what we are discuss about what is a service desk, what is service desk analysis will do. 14 batch, 13 batch, which is better. 13 batch. One more thing. So that is we got it now. In which just need another 15 minutes or 20 minutes, no guarantee. I will tell a small thing, that is SOP. Yes, you can go to this. Here is other points. Just I want to tell about a SOP and KEDB. What is SOP? Standard operating procedure. You got a certain task, like you have to do certain delivery, or maybe you have to do certain things as per the user requirement, or maybe your operational requirement. Maybe you have to do certain troubleshooting. Okay, so this SOP help you to do the task easy way. So how it is? It is a set of step-by-step instructions. By following step-by-step instructions, you can complete. Is a set of step-by-step instructions compiled by any organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. And SOP aims to achieve efficiency, quality output, uniformity of performance while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with the industry regulations. Okay, so very simple. What is a SOP? Standard operating procedure. It is a simple step-by-step. Your work is given to you. There is a work is given to you. You have to deploy something. Maybe you have to create a virtual machine. Maybe you have to set up a server. Maybe you need to install some application. maybe you have to do certain troubleshooting. Okay, issues occur, you have to follow that. So these step-by-step instructions will comply to work on your thing. Okay, so even it is look like a complex one, if you follow the step-by-step procedure, so you can able to resolve the issues. One more word I will tell, KEDV. I lost the document. It may be there, but you can try in Google also, you will find it. Known error database. Known error database. So guys, in organization, there is so many issues that occurs, right? So many times, so many issues. So many times they're resolved. So everything will be in the documentation. CMDB. CMDB. Configuration management database. Okay. So okay. Configuration management database contains entire your infrastructure related issues, tickets, resolutions, updates, upgrades, everything available in your database only. So known error database is about errors, issues, how to resolve it. Simple, if anybody knows programming basics, knows. For example, I got an error. My database maybe some error it is. Maybe Python. Something like, okay. Yeah, we got this website Stack Overflow. Okay, just I got some issue. So what I will do, I'll search in a Google or a search in a Stack Overflow. So I will find the relevant issue. If anybody got the same issue, some people will suggest how to resolve the issues. So he got some, his idea is worked. That's why he got a check mark. Okay, so different issues, how they handle, and the way of handling issue resolution in data is there, right? Same way, organization maintain a database of okay already occurred issues and how to resolve the issues. So you have to understand based on the situation. So you have to choose one solution. Okay. One more, that is troubleshooting model. Also, it is a SOP. It's a part of SOP only. SOP for everything, but troubleshooting model SOP. This is a very simple content. This is Kamsha given this material for how to do troubleshooting. Okay. First of all, guys, any issues occur, identify the problem. First, you should know what is the problem. Identify the problem. Establish probable cause. Test the theory. As the linguistic. Okay. First of all, identify what is the problem issue. Okay, because don't confuse with this problem and incident and problem. Any issues occur, first of all, identify what is an issue. Okay, understand. So understand why it is occur. Establish the probable cause. Maybe because of this, I'm getting this problem. maybe wire loose connection, maybe switch disconnection, or maybe configuration related issues. Okay, or virus related issues or antivirus related issues, and establish the problem cause why you got this issue. Test your theory, so make sure that is the why you are getting that issues and how to resolve the issue. So test your theory. Establish, plan, and implement. Establish, plan, and implement the solution. So what are the issue? So if you do this one, then issue may be resolved. Then you do that one. Right. So then next one is once issue is resolved, once you're done, verify the fix. Make sure it is issue is resolved. And do preventive measures. Make sure the issue should not be repeated. Document finding. Again, as I said, guys, if you do anything, any issue you resolved, either you do changes or maybe any issues occur, you resolve the issues. Anything you should keep it in you done a deploy, or maybe you user ask for a service request, you done that one. After that one, document what you have done, what is the issue, why it is occur, and what are you done to solve an issue, and is it working now? What are the preventive measures you have taken? So you have to put in a document. So this is a troubleshooting model or a SOP of troubleshooting related. Okay. So this is the small other information I'm adding. The last finally, again, once again, guys, this is the last today. Where I open my site, these sites. I opened something and I closed. It is here only, it is separate window. Okay, so what is a service operations? Service operation process, service functions. This is the help desk. Just you got it, then okay, otherwise leave it, no problem also. But here again, once again, what is a service desk?
లేదు ఒకవేళ ఫార్మాట్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంటే నేను ఆన్లైన్ చేస్తున్నాను చేంజెస్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుంది
What is a service desk? Again, service desk is the first and single point of contact. Single point of contact. Don't forget that one, SPOC. It plays a vital role in a customer satisfaction. It coordinates activities between the end user, means a customer or a client, and the IT provider's team. It wants the logged request, ensure closures of these requests. So what are the request comes, it is come to the service desk and the closures also available. Okay. There are 4 type of service desks. List is given here. First one is central service desk, local or distributed service desk, virtual service desk, and specialized service desk. What is a central one? So in this one, there is only one central service. This means total organization, how many branches, how many places, global it is there. So only one center will respond to from one place only. That is a centralized service desk. Local or distributed means, in Hyderabad I have a clients, in Mumbai I have a clients, and Singapore I have a clients. Wherever my clients are majorly located, I will put a one service desk. I will put my office there, and I will provide a support. So that is a local. It is a costly but more effective. Virtual service desk. It is, IVR type help desk. Direct solutions are there, right? So IVR are a web self-help portals. You log in once and you given your issues. Automatically, it will give you a solution, or maybe automatically it will direct to resolve your issues. It's a software based. Specialized service desks, including dedicated skill staff for a specific queries. There is a people, so directly will interact with your customer kind of stuff. Okay, these are the again small points. First of all, guys, don't forget what is service desk, what is service desk analysis will do, what is SOP, and what is event, alert, incident, service requests, changes, problems. Okay, and what is SLA, what is that customer type of customers, what is ticket, that is very important, type of tickets, priorities, and few more things I said that is will be covered in that video. So that's it for today. Any doubts, anything?
No, sir.
Very good. Tomorrow I am going to start with the network